unboxing for the day is from Peachtree Publishing. And the sticker, which actually it's not cut off, it just is part of a red fox, hungry for a great read. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing when I open the box, some feathers are escaping. And it's beautifully wrapped in tissue paper. And this is the flyer that comes with it. Hungry for a great read. Let me get that feather off. And I think this is a magnet. Yep. And it's called One Fox by debut author-illustrator Kate Reed. Daring, funny, subversive, and succinct counting book. That sounds fun. It looks like it might be a riff. Oh, a lot of feathers. It might be a riff off kind of a well-known fairy tale. So anything with wolves, I'm not quite sure. Oh no, I'm sorry, with foxes. So it could be, I'm not even sure. The stories with foxes. Oh, beautiful end papers. So pretty. I like how the footprints follow in the beginning. That is clever and fun. So, one Vanish Fox. Really beautiful illustrations. They remind me a lot of Eric Carle collage, but like crisper, you know, like a lot of detail. And so this whole book is going with a fox theme, and here we see feathers. Oh, because we see who actually owns the feathers, and that would be 3-point pens. Oh, and then this is the sticker for patting paws, so that's clever because it's like the fox on the move. And the hens have some eggs, and here we have the fox and the chickens and the feathers and the teeth and mass exodus and a lot of chickens and a funny ending. And the important thing here is that no hens or foxes were harmed in the making of this book. So this looks really fun. I think kids would love it. It's just a really fun and visually interesting counting book where you're not just counting and learning about foxes and hens, but it's definitely a humorous story. You can read a lot from the images, and I just think it would be something that kids would delight in. And Kate Reed. And what a perfect name, right? If you're an author, illustrator, to have a last name Reed. Kudos for that.